In a typical weekday clean, I'd hit auto overnight, let it run through living room, dining, and hallway. On hardwood and rugs, it fared admirably. Dust disappeared, no obvious patches of debris, and it returned to its dock cleanly. Battery life in those modes was solid. Dyson claims up to 65 minutes, which aligns with what I got under light load. In tougher scenarios, deep in a carpeted zone, or in rooms with chairs, cords, and clutter, it slowed, reoriented often, and occasionally got stuck. Also, when battery dropped mid-run, it returned to dock, recharged, but sometimes navigated back awkwardly, repeating already cleaned sections. Compared to some high-end bots I've tested, the Dyson felt stronger at raw pickup but weaker at robot aspects, navigation, avoidance, and completing a full coverage map with minimal human intervention.